spooky chocolate cake pops. Description: trick or treat. Indulge in some chocolate goodness this Halloween with these easy-to-decorate, spooky chocolate cake pops. Ingredients: chocolate cake or use leftover cake. 1 cup flour. 1 cup cocoa powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1 egg. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1/3 cup milk. 1/3 cup hot coffee. Chocolate frosting. 1/2 cup sugar. 1/3 cup heavy cream. 1/4 cup and 1 tablespoon butter, unsalted. 2 1/2 ounce dark chocolate. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Cake pops. 1/2 cup chopped candies or nuts. I used white M&Ms and Reese's candies. 10 to 15 cake pop sticks. 4 ounces dark chocolate. Halloween-themed sprinkles. Instructions. Cake. Preheat the oven to 375 F. In a medium bowl, sift together flour, cocoa powder, salt, baking powder and baking soda. Set aside. In a large bowl, beat egg and slowly add sugar. Continue to beat until mixture turns light yellow. Add oil and milk and mix until combined. Add the flour mixture and mix until incorporated. Add coffee and mix until incorporated. The batter will be a little more runny than most cake batters. Grease and flour a cake pan. Pour in the batter and bake for 25 minutes. Check if it is ready with a toothpick, must come out clean. Let cake cool down completely. Chocolate frosting. In a small saucepan, dissolve sugar into the cream on medium heat. Add butter and remove from stove. Mix until combined. Stir in chopped chocolate and vanilla. Set aside to cool down completely. Cake pops. Once the cake and frosting have cooled down, scoop out the cake into a large bowl, leaving the dry edges. If you are using cake leftovers instead, mash it into small pieces. Add the frosting and mix until incorporated and pretty smooth. Add chopped candies and or nuts. Form 1 to 1 and 1/2 inch sized balls and place them on a tray. Melt 1/4 cup of the chocolate, dip 1/2 inch of each cake pop stick into the chocolate and stick into ball. A ball formed. Repeat with all remaining cake pops. Place cake pops into the freezer for an hour. Melt the rest of the chocolate and dip a cake pop in chocolate, covering it completely. Cover with sprinkles. Make sure to work fast as the chocolate gets solid very quickly. Repeat with remaining cake pops.